What is going on, everybody? As you can tell by the title, today the MR2 will be getting some spacers. Some of you may know this, but I'm already running spacers in the rear. I'm running some 25mm spacers, but these are obviously not enough because my fitment is terrible. So basically, I got some 50mm spacers so that I can fill the gap between the fender and the wheel. And I will be using the 25mm spacers and throwing them in the front because I do have that gap too, but I might have to camber out the fronts because if I put the 25mm, I think it's gonna stick out a lot. So I'm gonna jack up the car and we'll see. Low life. Now that we finally have the wheel off, we can finally take off the 25mm spacer. I think it's a 20mm. You just wake up?
Yeah, I took it all that.
Man, alright, for sure. Alright then. See you, bro. Oh, my dad left with all the sockets, so I guess we have to wait till my dad gets back. So since I don't have the sockets I need, might as well just show you guys the spacers. So basically, these are just some Amazon spacers I saw that fit a Toyota, so I hope these do actually fit. They're huge. Here's the other one. And don't worry, you guys are probably thinking that I'm gonna ruin my bearings, which I guess I probably am a little, but these spacers will not be permanent. I will be getting wheels in the future. I just don't have the money for them right now, so this will have to be what saves my fitment for now. Since I don't have what I need to take off the 25mm spacer, I thought I'll just go ahead and take off the front wheel too. Now that I have both of the wheels off, I thought I'd just go ahead and show you guys my coilover setup. I am running just some Godspeed Mono RSs for the SW20 chassis. No complaints about them. They are a little stiff, but to me stiffness is good, so I don't rub on my fender. And in the fronts, I am running only one lock ring because they do not go low enough. Turns out I don't actually have a 20mm, so hopefully Joseph has one in his car. He's actually on his way right now. He just went to get some gas, so he should be here any minute. I know y'all hear the boy. For those that don't know, Joseph finally got his exhaust. Ooh, it's blue. Damn, bro, hella rice. Ah, damn, bro, hella rice. Nani? Kidding. Alright, bro, you better have this 20mm.
Man, looks like you're gonna add it on.
O'Reilly's. I don't know where my 20mm went. Cause I have this whole set over here, and I'm missing a 20mm and I think like a 23.
Let's see what we can do here.
I'm praying you got a 20mm. Oh, bro, you're lying. What is this?
Yo. Try this one.
I don't know. Yes! Perfecto mundo. Where did my breaker go? You're lying. This isn't God's plan.
So you putting, what is that, 50mm?
Yeah.
On top of this?
No, I'm taking those off. That's why I need that.
I was about to say,
Stupid.
you f***ing crazy.
Hell no. I'm not Randy. Randy from Illuminate. Where's my breaker? I was holding
Oh,
it.
you tell me, bro.
Oh my god. We took 10 minutes looking around my whole garage for my breaker bar. It was inside my tool bag. Finally. Now let me get the 50mm. Oh my god. These are hella heavy, bro.
Yeah, it looked like it, bro. Fuck.
Oh
shit.
These are fat, bro.
God damn.
Finally got the spacers. Jeez, these are fat. Time to put on the wheels. Finally got the wheels back on, but I will have to roll this fender because I am sitting right on top of it. So I'm gonna roll it just a little bit, just so I can get it out of the way. And the front, I may have to camber out. Actually, I don't know. I might have to camber out just so the tire is flush with the fender. But for now, this looks pretty good. And I'll show you the other side. Nah, and this side's pretty deep too. So I feel like this is perfect.
Hey, Sean, bro.
Hey, there's low-key some camber. I know I did show him. Dude, hey, look, there's like camber.
Yeah. But just look at the camera, right?
Not on the rear, only the front.
I told you, motherfucker.
What?
Oh no, I have it on the rear.
No, you're stupid. I never said that. I know my coils, man. Yeah, I have more camber in the rear than I do in the front. Dude, hey, that camber is like making it like damn near flush. All right, so we're gonna go jack up the car again, and we're gonna roll the fenders or quarter panels. What are these? Quarter panels, right? Let's get into it. Never heard that before.
Sick ass.
That's pretty good. Shout out Evo Carl. My bad. I stepped on his finger. But shout out Evo Carl for this fender roller. We'll give this back to you soon. We're sorry. He's sorry. He had it for how long?
But what?
2 weeks plus?
Yeah, exactly. Not my fault, bro. You never been around, dog.
You robbed him.
Hell nah.
Before you roll your fenders, you want to clean the inside so you don't trap any of. Oh my god. Hella dirt. So you don't trap any of the dirt in there. And you want to use a heat gun so you don't crack any of your paint, and so the metal is easier. The metal is easier to roll. Is it working?
It looks like it's on.
Whew. After 20 minutes of stress, my fenders are finally rolled. And it's clean, bro. It's sitting. My fenders are flat. Man, bro, we did a good ass job.
You already know, bro.
Now I'll be able to clear my tires, and now hopefully I won't be rubbing. Damn.
Are you be running stretch on your tires for the new rims?
Yeah, once I get new wheels, my big wheels, I'm gonna get some stretch, and I'm gonna be getting lip to fender. That's if I can get low enough. Now we need to roll the other side.
First, let's
put the spacer back on, put the wheel back on, and I'll teach you guys then. Oh my God, Joseph!
Moment of truth right here, bro.
Hopefully my natural camber. How's that look?
Looks like you might have cleared it. Oh, you're gonna rub a little bit. You need to the bumps in the road and shit. This is gonna come down and touch it.
Man, I don't even have wheel travel like that.
I don't know, bro. We'll have to take it for a spin.
At least if I hit it, it's not gonna go in. Unlike if we didn't roll it.
Yeah.
If anything, if I hit it, it's gonna come out more. Man, bro, I'm hella satisfied with this. Even though it's not like perfect, it's so nice.
It's damn near perfect, bro. What's he talking about? Not any warps or anything. You know,
yeah, no warps, no cracks. I mean, these scratches are already here. Man, that's hella nice. Yeah, now that we got this side, finally, we're about to hit the other side.
Damn, bro. I'm looking at this, I'm like, damn, dude.
It's like tucking. Bro, it's all about flush. No tucking, no poke, even though I'm poking right here. Slight poke in the rear, but I just need to pull it a little. All right, let's get the wood out and let's hit the other side.
Right there, that's true.
Bro, the best feeling is seeing a notification that somebody subscribed to you. And, like, you don't know them at all, they're just some random person. So that random person like enjoys my video to the point where they subscribe. Like, that feels hella good to me. Do you tighten this with your military strength?
You already know, bro.
God damn. More bomba. Stop. Sicko motor or more bomba? Hella work. Let's see what time it is. 6:51. Look at my dogs.
Does that spam I smell, bro?
Oh!
Does that spam I smell?
Dog shit? smells like dog.
Hell no, bro. I smell spam, bro. Hawaiians have a keen sense of smell for spam, bro.
It's pretty good, bro. Look at that camber. Hey, let me see. Ooh. You guys can see the camber, the natural camber. What? RIP my wheel bearings. Let's get these torqued down and what? Probably go for a test drive?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go for a test drive, make sure nothing's rubbing. MR2 hella dirty.
Damn, bro.
Hey, chill. Alright, let's get it going.
You're gonna notice when you're like hugging the corners now, you're gonna be rubbing.
Yeah. Stance life.
Damn, bro, how you feel about that, man?
I don't, dude, stance life, I don't even care. Listen to this downshift. Perfect. I'm not even gonna angle it.
Yeah, dude, you're gonna need to angle it.
Overall, hella satisfied with how it came out. My fitment's actually worth flexing now, low-key.
It's pretty cool, man. It's much better than before.
Yeah, a lot better.
You plan on getting, what are these, 17s?
16s.
16s?
I'm gonna get 18s in the rear, 17 in the front.
Oh.
Yeah, bro.
Jesus Christ.
But yeah, I think now we're gonna go to Quickley's. There is a slight rub, tiny bit, nothing too major. Well, thanks for watching. Shout out to this man for helping me out today. Follow both of us on Instagram. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe and smack the lens.